Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, name Rekha M, subject Computer Organization and Architecture. Today I am going to explain about the basic structure of the computer. First, components of the computer. What is computer? A computer can be defined as a fast electronic calculating machine that accepts the data, digitized input information, process it as per the list of internally stored instructions and produces the resulting information. Basic structure of computer. The basic structure of a computer is made up of five main components: input, processing, storage, output, and control. Input means devices that allow the user to enter data or instruction into the computer. Processing, the central processing unit CPU performs calculation and other processes based on instruction. Storage, the computer stores data in memory. Output, devices that display the results of the computer's processing. Control, the control unit other manages the other components by reading and executing instruction. The physical parts of a computer are known as hardware and include the motherboard, CPU, keyboard, mouse, hard disk, and DVD. The software that runs on a computer is made up of programs that are compiled into binary so the computer can understand them. Components of computer like control unit, ALU, internal memory, main memory, secondary storage, input unit, output unit. Types of computer: personal computer, notebook computer, workstation, enterprise systems, supercomputers. Personal computer means this is the most common type of computers found in homes, schools, business, office, etc. It is desktop computers with processing and storage units along with various input and output devices. Notebook computer means these are compact and portable versions of PC. Workstation. These have more computational power than PC. These have high resolution input or output graphics capability, but with same dimensions as that of this desktop computer. These are used in engineering applications of interactive design work. Enterprise systems these are used for business data processing in medium to large corporations that require much more computing power and storage capacity than workstation. Internet associated with servers has become a dominant worldwide source of all types of information. Next, supercomputers. These are used for large scale numerical calculations required in the applications like weather, forecasting, etc. Functional units. In this first input unit, the source program or high level language program coded information, simply data is fed to a computer through input devices such that keyboard is the most common example. Whenever the key is pressed one, a corresponding word or number is translated into its equivalent binary code over a cable and fed either to memory or processor. Next, memory unit. Its function is to store programs and data. It's basically of two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory means it is the one exclusively associated with processor and operates at the electronic speeds. Programs must be stored in this memory while they are being executed. Secondary memory means it is used where large amounts of data and programs have to be stored, particularly information that is accessed infrequently. Next, arithmetic logic unit ALU. Most of the computer operators are executed in ALU of the processor like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. The operands are brought into the ALU from memory and stored in high-speed storage elements called register. Then, according to the instruction, the operation is performed in the required sequence. Next one, output unit. These actually are the counterparts of input units. Its basic function is to send the process result to the outside world. Example, printers, speakers, monitor, etc. Control unit. If effectively is the nerve center that sends signals to other units and sends their states. The actual timing signals that govern the transfer of data between input unit, processor, memory and output unit are generated by the control unit. Here are some basic operational concept. The processor contains ALU, control unit and many registers. The instruction register IR holds the instruction that is currently being executed. The instruction is then passed to the control unit, which generates the timing signals that determine when a given action is to take place. The PC means program counter contains the memory address of the next instruction to be fetched and executed. During the execution of an instruction, the contents of PC are updated to point to next instruction. The processor also contains n general purpose registers RO through Rn-1. The MAR memory address register holds the address of the memory location to be accessed. The MDR means memory data register contains the data to be written into a readout the address location. This is the some MAR MDR control memory parts. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.